Welcome to the presentation of measures of position and learner interpolation. Today, we will explore the concept of measures of position, including percentiles, quartiles, percent rank, as well as the method of learner interpolation.
Measures of position for ungrouped data using the learner interpolation. So here are the formulas for quartile. K sub k equals k, the quantity of n plus 1 divided by 4. The formula of decile equals b sub k equals k, the quantity of n plus 1 divided by 10. For the percentile, p sub k equals k, the quantity of n plus 1 divided by 100. So, here are the 5 steps in learner interpolation. So, step number 1, arrange the numbers in ascending order. And step number 2, locate the position of the score in the distribution. Step number 3, find the difference between the two values wherein QK or DK or PK is situated. For step number 4, get the decimal part result in step 2 and multiply it with the result in step 3. Step number 5, add the result in step 4 to a smaller number in step 3 to get the value of quartile key, decile key, or percentile key. Illustrative example. The following are the score of 12 students of grade 10 Dama de Noche in their 30-item math test. So, we need to find the quartile 1, decile 7, and percentile 45. So, step 1, we need to arrange the numbers in ascending order. So, as you can see, 5 is the lowest scores and 28 is the highest scores. And let's proceed to the step number 2. Locate the position of the score in the distribution. So here are the formulas. Q sub k equals k times the quantity of n plus 1 divided by 4. And we need to substitute it. So 12 plus 1 equals 13. And 13 times 1 divided by 4 is equal to 3.25. So step number 3, find the difference between the two values wherein quartile 1 is equated. So the value of quartile 1 is 3.5. We need to get the third and fourth number of the ascending order, since the quartile 1 is 3.25. Then we only need to subtract it. So 12 minus 11 equals 1. And we have to go through step number 4. Get the decimal part result in step 2 and multiply it with the result in step 3. Since the decimal we get in step 2 is 25 and the answer we get in step 3 is 1, so we need to multiply it. So 0.25 times 1 equals 0.25. So step number 5, we need to add the result in step 4 to the smallest number in step 3 to get the value of quartile 1. Since the result of step 4 is 0.25 and the smallest number in step 3 is 11, we need to add it. So 0.25 plus 11 equals 11.25. So it means 25% of the students get a score of less than or equal to 11.25.
Now, let's try to solve D7. So, for the step 1, we need to arrange it in ascending order from lowest to highest. So, here are the formula that we need to use. So, d sub k equals k times the quantity of n plus 1 divided by 10. Since we need to find decile 7, so simply put the 7 into key point, then simplify 12 from 1 or to 1, then the answer is 13. So, multiply 7 times 13 divided by 11 is equal to 9.1. So, we have 22 and 24. So, as So since the decimal of step 2 is 1 and the lowest score of step 3 is 2, we need to multiply it. So 0.1 times 2 is equal to 0.2. And lastly, simply add 0.2 plus 22. So 0.2 plus 22 is equal to 22.2. And that's all. I hope you will learn something. Thank you and God bless.